What's up, guys? I'm just here to show you. I made a upgrade anvil, and let me grab these bows I made, twig bows. I grabbed one of these. I grabbed one of these two. Okay, inventory. Now, I made this small because at first I was having problem with the jigsaw, but it doesn't matter. I got it going. I made this one bigger. This will upgrade as well. I'll put these back to how they were. So I drag in the bow, a twig bow, and here's an upgrade scroll I made. Okay. Now you see the bow just says twig bow, attack 20, dex 25. Now upgrade. Now the bow, if you look at it, it's kind of smaller. It's twig bow +1, and stats went up. Let's see, the other one is, see, 2025. This one is 21 and 25.25. So upgrade worked. Now I'm gonna put it back in. Upgrade again. Now it's 2205. It went up again. Now here I changed the stats so it when I like see it doesn't have the roll on it. I was testing that out too, but it works with the roll too. See, this one's 13 through 14. Upgrade it. And see, it went up 1365, and it has the other one, the roll 14 cent. So they both work. The dex went up a little. I have it set so attack power goes up 5%, and the rest of the lesser, like resistances or like dex goes up 1%. Let's see. And I'll show you the difference too. Let me turn one on. Let me put one on. Close it out. And this is, I forgot which one this was. Let me see. This is a +2 bow. I should, let me start with this one. The one where it's not upgraded. Unlock, shoot. They hit like 39, pretty, on average 39. So now the upgraded one. Now it's 41.5, almost 42. It's really low damage, so it only goes up a little. Now, like for example, if you get, let's see if it fits. This Omega sword, you'll see the difference a lot more, than. But here, upgrade scroll, here the attack is 463, the 464, and when I upgrade, now it's, I went up 20. Let me see, let me upgrade it again. Now you got a +2, and it's substantially higher than 510. It was like what was it, 460. Okay, so that same with armor, it's the same thing. The defense goes up, and the resistances and all those other things go up less. But yeah, uh, I also have I did this, so the loot when you're in a party it distributes. But I'll show that in another video. Okay, thanks and bye bye.